Hey, this is Shizhe speaking on track task 5.1. So this time I made some changes on my code. So let's start from question 1. So we define some variables and the constructor let them equal and some general methods and some objects with values. And as the question said, we use these methods. We need to spend too much time on it. So we use a new function called inheritance. So the first part is all the same. So from here we set some general methods that every animal will do. So eat, sleep, make noise, and go toilet. And I made this by myself. So the virtual means so the subclass can make some changes on it. And by the way, so the subclass can inherit everything, such as the variables and the constructor and general methods, yeah, from the parent class. So after the animal, we have bird and feline. So these two are quite similar. They are all the subclasses of animal. So that's the special format, and these two species and wingspan. So that is the variables that only bird have. And some general methods, virtual means these methods inherited from the animal, and it can make some changes so the bird can fly, and after that one override the animal makes noise. So and back to feline, much shorter. So the special variables is species and sleep. So the animal sleeps every day. And also there's another class which is wolf. So it doesn't belong to bird or feline. So the wolf class is in the same level as bird and feline. So this one, yeah, inherited from animal and override. So the wolf howls and the wolf is meat every day. And the class under bird is eagle and feline. So the eagle, it has special methods called lay egg. Eagle lays an egg. So for this one, we don't do any override or virtual. We just say public void. And back here, we use override because these methods inherited from animal, and there isn't any special variables only only eagle has, and also the penguin much shorter override void fly. A penguin cannot fly. This is the method we inherited from bird fly. A lion and tiger. So lion and tiger, the tiger has a special variables called color stripped and constructor and override some general methods. And then back to the zoo park with inheritance. That is the main methods, and we set the objects right here, some variables. So let's run it. Yeah, it works. It shows we call the methods in different class methods. So it outputs, and then we can move to the last question. So the question 5 and question 6. So overloading, and we can back to the overloading. So yeah, so we use the same method name with different parameters, and when I have 2 or more methods with the same name but different signatures, yes, that is the overloading, and we can run it. Yeah, output name, age, 2 names. And then about question 6. So question 6, that is a new code. And about question, so first question, does B, the instance of class B, have an instance variable I accessible? So the answer is no. So the instance variable I is not directly accessible from an instance of class B because I is marked as protected in class A. And second question, is the first call to console red line in print results in class B legal? The answer is no. This call is not legal because there is no method get I defined in class A or class B that would return the value of I. Final question, is the second call to console red line in print results in class B legal? Yes, this call is legal. The method sumJ is defined in class A and is inherited from class B. So since sum is a public method, it can be called both from inside and outside the class. And that will be my 5.1 video discuss.